Welcome back, YouTube. So in today's video, we're going to go over these four coins that are literally on the cusp of a breakout. They are literally about to just break through those previous resistance levels. They have risen today primarily because of they were really on the cusp anyway. I guess we were waiting for confirmation to really just have that next leg up. We're waiting for confirmation from the Fed to kind of see what Powell is going to say. So it kind of just helps to wait, and you'll kind of have that stagnation kind of come into the market prior to Powell speaking, just in case he wants to rug pull or give some uncertainty and cause a flip, and we go crashing the other direction. But that did not happen today. Powell actually gave a lot of hopium for a reversal in the market, and even hinting that we may have already seen the bottom, saying that if we continue to get supporting evidence, that he'd be open to it. Basically, he didn't want to say that he was considering cutting rates, but he pretty much left the door open, saying that he'd be open to reconsidering the new data, saying that we might not actually get to that 5% mark. And he'd be open to kind of backing off of that. And then the side effect of that is obviously the market roaring today. And if you take a look here at crypto, you'll see that Bitcoin 23,895, and it is about 400 bucks away from being 1,000 over that 22,781 mark. So from this point, we're literally looking to build strength and retest that 25,212. As long as we're not near exhaustion yet as far as on the volume. Nothing indicating a major sell-off just yet. So that's just something we have to monitor here, and we can consider this target within, I say, the next 24, 40 hours. So this is the short-term outlook, unless we get like a serious decline tomorrow in volume, which I don't think we will right now, because again, that was a lot of hopium that came into the market. Even some of the key indicators for the stock market are all predicting to go challenge some of those higher levels tomorrow, those next tiers. Depending on which indicators you're looking to trade. So I think that this will be very beneficial in the short term for the entire crypto market, really. Bitcoin retesting that 25,212 and breaking past this 22,781 mark is going to put a lot of coins literally on the edge of breakouts. And to prove that, let's take a look here around some favorites. Ethereum. We needed 1676.80. We're at 1680 right now. Again, same situation, looking to build strength here. And if we have that continuous momentum without any of those, not any decline in momentum, we can look at seriously consider, excuse me, can't even talk, seriously consider going to see 1789.40. So this is going to be a great way to end the week, as long as we don't lose any of that momentum, any market shocks or anything like that kind of comes out. So I say between now and Friday, we can see where we end up, or if we get a breakdown as far as in volume. But Ethereum is in sync with Bitcoin to go and test another level, 1789. We can look at Cardano. Same thing here. We're at the cusp at the 40-cent level, because we need to get to 44. But we're right here at that last point of like resistance. And then, of course, that's a gap to 44. So, and then at 44, then you're looking at high 40s, like 47.98, which is some weak resistance. And then you got 52. So Cardano is on the cusp as well. And then, of course, here, no, it's not the one I wanted. Take a look here at Doge as well. Big rejection on the previous candle, and we're sitting right here, roughly like 941, right where we need to be. And again, on the cusp of having that breakout, literally building up strength, because we need that high like 94895 to maintain that or build strength there, and then we can go see about 1118. So that puts Doge right there on the cusp as well. So that was the macro that I was speaking about for the last few days, and stating that, hey, this is a very important, this is a very big deal going forward. because we need kind of like if we're going to have a sustainable run, we're going to need the macros and micros to kind of sync and align together. We can't have them saying two different things. It's going to cause market confusion, and you'll see those consistent up downs and stuff like that. And I haven't seen any major move. I'll recheck shorts while I'm with you guys, but I haven't seen any major spikes to indicate a push down. Yeah, no, they're roughly hanging out where they've been. Even a slight buyout as well. So yeah, nothing alarming from shorts, not yet at least. So yeah, so we're just gonna have to kind of ride the wave here for the next day or so and see where the momentum, if there's going to be some liquidity or new buyers coming in at those levels, until we get to exhaustion of this run and see where we can build support. But those four coins of Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, Doge, they're all literally on the cusp of having those runs to those next pivot points. So it's going to put us in a great position to wrap up the week. And Powell, you heard him. We have some short-term macros to kind of support a possible pivot here within the next few months. So this is all good news for the actual crypto community, for the stock market. So we're just going to have to see here. And as long as we don't get any macro shocking data, we should be on at least a decent incline. So I think that this can change the trajectory of the market and potentially where we even end up by Q2, Q3. So because we have our own catalysts and stuff coming, which are great. So this is just kind of putting the bow on everything from the macro perspective. So as long as we're in sync, that is positive, that is bullish, and I believe that we're going to reap the benefits of that. So that is my crypto update. If you like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.